In order for students to be successful, they need to be regulated. This is the area of our classroom that helps facilitate regulation when a student is dysregulated. When a student is demonstrating that they're dysregulated during class time, they're brought over to this area. When they arrive, they look in the mirror and then select a photo on the wall that most looks like how they're feeling. This helps them to identify their feeling and what zone they're in. If they're feeling sad or tired, they're in the blue zone, and they need an alerting activity to move back to the green zone. If they're angry or frustrated, they're in the red zone, and they need a calming activity to move back to the green zone. If they're silly, excited, nervous, or scared, they're in the yellow zone, and they need a different kind of calming activity to move to the green zone. Once they identify what emotion they're feeling and what zone they're in, they get to select a tool from the toolbox to help them move back to the green zone. The teachers are able to change these tools based on the student and the situation. The student will say, "I feel like," and point to the picture, and if they have words, will identify what they're feeling and what zone they're in. Then they will get to select from one of several options which tool they'd like to choose to move back into the green zone. There's a variety of tools, and they're all visually represented. All the supplies for the tools are kept in those drawers. The tools vary from gross motor movement to fine motor puzzles, rolling a medicine ball, doing animal jumps, asking for a hug, and squeezing a stress ball. Once the student completes the activity, they then look in the mirror again and identify that they're back in the green zone. Once they identify that they're in the green zone, they get to move back into the classroom activity. At the beginning of the year, this is an adult-facilitated activity. As the year progresses and the students increase their understanding of regulation, oftentimes they are able to do these activities independently.